Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are okay with your family. Having a lot of fun, doing a lot of things, doing your homework. Okay, for today I have an experiment for you and mom and dad. Mom and dad are going to help you because we are going to need them to light the fire, okay? Okay. So today we are going to capture the smoke in a class. It's going to be like a cloud. It's pretty cool experiment. And if everything goes fine, we can see it over here. Okay. So what you will need is a glass, uh, straw, or if you don't have a straw, you can actually pencil or pen. Okay. You need matches. Okay, I'm going to use 5. And aluminum foil. The length of the aluminum foil is the same one as the container. And the wad is more or less like 5 fingers, okay? No more. Okay, let me put the camera so we can see the experiment. Okay, over here. Okay, nice. I think it's okay. A little bit more. There you go. Okay. Well, so first we are going to need to put the matches in the aluminum foil. We are going to leave a little space here so we can actually make a seal wrapping up the foil. Okay. Next, you are going to use a straw or your pencil so you can make a pipe out of the aluminum foil. Okay, so we are going to roll it over to make this pipe. We are going to keep it straight, as tight as possible. Okay, you don't need to break also the foil. Okay, there we go. Not to be perfect, but the better you do it, the more chances you have to have the experiment well done. Okay. Okay. In the meantime, I will explain the weight of the air and the weight of the smoke is different. So that's why we can actually contain the smoke in the glass. If there's no wind or any disturbance at all, you can actually keep it there. So that's why we're using the glass so we can contain the smoke there. Okay. Very good. We almost finished. Nice. Nice. Very good. Okay. We are going to make this kind of candy light wrapping so smoke doesn't come over here. It comes over here. Okay. We take out the straw. We fill the matches. Matches are over here. And we are going to put it on the glass. Now let me adjust the camera so we can see it. Sorry over there. I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, and now comes the tricky part. Remember, the lighter is for use mom and dad, and also this one is going to be pretty hot when it lights up, so you don't want to touch it. So maybe just on the tip a little, okay? Remember, this is the part of mom and dad is going to help you. Okay. Good. There it goes, okay? Take out this thing. Look, you see that waterfall smoke? So cool. Oh my god. And it's pouring to the bottom of the glass, okay? Remember, hold it by the tip, mom and dad, not you, okay? Put it aside. Remember, it's hot. And now, see over there, you have a cloud in your glass. I hope you see it there in this camera. This is a little going out of the glass there. You actually can pour it out. You see that one? Oh, so cool. It's like something scary. Oh, good. Super nice. Super nice. Over there. You see it? Oh, so cool. Okay. Well, I hope you liked the experiment. Again, please ask mom and dad to help you doing the experiment, okay? I think that's all for today. I will try to make more experiments for you to do it at home and have a lot of fun. Okay, read a book, have a little time with your mom and dad. Invent something. If you do something super cool, please send me a picture. I will love it to see it. And also, if you make this video with mom and dad, is super cool. You get extra wins when you come back. Okay. Thank you so much. See you again and bye bye.